Sam.
Hey, Clags, co-founder of Curtsy. Thanks so much for letting me ask you 13 questions today.
Of course, come on in the office.
So what are 3 words that best describe you?
Spunky, and these are words that I've heard, I guess, people describe me as. Spunky, spontaneous, and silly.
And what was your first job?
Babysitting or making jewelry.
And what's the biggest surprise you've ever had?
Biggest surprise, probably my engagement. Want something to drink?
Sure.
Perfect.
So what scares you the most?
Ooh, probably snakes.
And what makes you laugh the most?
A weekend with my girlfriends.
What's the best fashion tip you learned from your mom?
Probably to just wear whatever you feel confident in and most comfortable in.
And what's your most favorite thing you've ever worn?
I have this jean jacket that I've had for like 6 years. It has a pineapple, like a woven pineapple on the back that I wear all the time. So probably that.
And what is one trend that you wish would come back?
Probably contentious, but gauchos.
And do you have a secret hobby?
This is not necessarily, I guess, a secret. Well, I love singing in the shower. So I think most people don't know that. Yeah, probably singing in the shower.
And what's your spirit animal?
Probably a fish or a bird that migrates.
What would your last meal be?
Noodles of some sort, any sort of noodles, appetizer noodles, dinner noodles, or cheese grits.
And what's your favorite thing to cook?
Fettuccine Alfredo, more noodles, or gumbo. I make a good gumbo.
And do you play any sports?
I played lacrosse and field hockey and tennis in high school, but I don't play those anymore. Pickleball or swimming in the San Francisco Bay. That's not necessarily a sport, but it's cold enough. I feel like it could be.
And if you could only dance to one song for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Dance. I'll do dance kind of and sing. It would either be Man in the Mirror, Michael Jackson, or Let Me Take You Out, Travis Porter.
And to end off, name one thing you could not live without.
My moped, my scooter that gets me around the city. I use it every day, all day for 7 years.
Well, thanks so much, Clags.
Thank you, Sam. This was fun.